Dude, I push it in that far, maybe.
What's up, bitch?
Yeah!
So, we're in Paul's man cave garage right now. We got the FRS up on the hoist. We got the Galaxy 500. And we got the 440 sitting on the floor. We got the 86 Jeep. Matt's about to pull out. The F-150. And we got the V8 Charger in the far back.
Awesome, cool beans.
All right, so today we're gonna be putting the aggressive as fuck diffuser on the FRS. Paul's gonna be cutting it up, make it fit. All right, well, let's see how this goes. So we're fitting the diffuser. It's gonna need to get trimmed down just a little bit to clear the Tomei exhaust. So we're gonna trim just this chunk out, just so it clears it and doesn't get melted. Paul's gonna cut that shit out.
We lose ourselves in the spirit of things. We lose our sight when we put our trust in things of this material world, of things that fade.
Okay, so we have the diffuser test fitted. Looking real aggressive right now. What you guys think? That's heat. Oh, by the way, this is a Con10der diffuser. You can find him on Instagram. I'll post the link. But don't buy it. I like to be original. And then we got the side spats here, which are gonna take. We're gonna have to cut this piece off. And then these are gonna come right about like that. And I'm gonna scratch the shit out of these for sure. Okay, so we trimmed it up to clear the exhaust. And now we're just hanging it with some galvanized strap in here. Right from the hang. There we go.
Yeah, so that'd be a skid plate under your gas tank there that we're hanging it from.
Yeah. Okay.
I was working at Kitchen, they had me in the shop.
So we had to take the clips out of here.
I don't know how flush
These three clips. And then we're gonna have to cut this piece off with the Dremel. And then we're gonna mount these spats and drill them onto this as well as this so that it holds these two pieces together. Because right now the bumper's kind of floating. That's a good point. I didn't think of that. That's holding the bumper together, like here.
Yeah, if we drill this though, if we take the two screws here, these ones.
Yeah.
If we take these two, just hold that there while we'll get these two in place where we want it.
So it has to drill through this and through this under here.
Yeah, so we'll drill through these here, and then we'll drill two screws through this here, wherever it lines up. It's all plastic, right? It'll go.
Yeah. And we got the rear diffuser mounted now.
That looks mean, dude.
Real aggressive.